The dispute over the Bhojshala Kamal Maula Mosque complex in Madhya Pradesh, Dhar district, where Hindus regard the site as an ancient temple and Muslims claim it as the Kamal Maula Mosque, has reached a major legal turning point following a ruling by the Madhya Pradesh High Court. On Friday, a division bench comprising Justices Vijay Kumar Shukla and Alok Avasthi delivered a 242-page judgment declaring that the religious character of the 11th century monument is that of Bhojshala with a temple of goddess Vagdevi, also known as Saraswati. The court based its conclusion on archaeological and scientific evidence and observed that the structure was originally built by Raja Bhoj in 1034 AD as a Sanskrit learning center and temple, predating claims of a mosque at the site. The court also quashed an archaeological survey of India ordered issued in April 2003, which had allowed Muslims to offer Friday prayers at the complex while permitting Hindus to worship on Tuesdays. With this ruling, the arrangement stands invalidated. Further, the High Court declared the site a protected monument under the Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act 1958 with retrospective effect from March 3, 1904. It directed the ASI to assume full supervisory control over the preservation, conservation and regulation of religious access at the site. In its observations, the court criticized the ASI for what it termed dereliction on duty and relied on a 98-day scientific survey which concluded that the structure was constructed using components of an earlier temple. The judgment also referred to legal principles laid down in the Ayodhya verdict while assessing the archaeological findings. The court further stated that the center may consider representation seeking the return of an idol of Goddess Saraswati currently stored in a museum in London with the possibility of its reinstallation at the complex. At the same time, it advised the Madhya Pradesh government to consider allotting suitable land in Dhar district to the Muslim community for the construction and administration of a mosque. Reacting to the verdict, the Muslims said it would challenge the decision in the Supreme Court. Counsel Ashar Warsi stated that they were not satisfied with the judgment, while Shahar Kasi Wakar Sadiq also indicated that an appeal would be filed after reviewing the full order. So viewers, how will the authorities balance preservation of the monument with the concerns of both communities? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.